Hi, I'm Annabelle from the Storytelling School's Malta, and today I'm going to tell you a story called The Magic Porridge Pot. Once upon a time, not twice, not thrice, but just once, there was a forest. And in the forest, there was a village. And in the village, there lived a mother and a daughter. One day, Mother woke up hungry, so she went to look in the kitchen. But oh, when she opened the cupboards, there was nothing. Little one, go into the woods and get some food for us, the mother told her daughter. So the little girl took a basket and off she went into the woods singing, I'm so hungry as can be. I'm so hungry, need to help my mum. She was looking around, seeing what she could find. And lo, there was a bush filled with juicy blackberries. So the little girl went next to the bush and started picking the blackberries one by one. She picked and she picked and she picked until the basket was full. Off she went singing, I'm so hungry, need to fill my tum. I'm so hungry, need to help my mum. And while she was singing, she saw a thin old woman. And she came next to her and said, could you give me something to eat, please? I'm so hungry. I need to eat something. And the girl took the basket and told her, eat as much as you like. So the old woman ate lots of blackberries. She looked at her and said, thank you, my little one. Now, because you helped me, I'm going to help you. Look at this magic porridge pot. Take it to your house and tell it, fill, pot, fill. And it will start filling with porridge. But when you need it to stop, say, stop, pot, stop. And that's what the little girl did. Off she went to her house singing, I'm so hungry, need something in my tum. I'm so hungry, need to help my mum. When she went into her house, she put the pot on the table and said, fill, pot, fill. And the pot started filling with porridge. And when it was enough, she said, stop, pot, stop. And the magic pot stopped. Her mother was so happy and they ate all the porridge. When they were hungry, they always used to tell the magic porridge pot to do porridge for them. One day, when the little girl decided to go to the woods to get some more blackberries, Mother felt hungry and turned to the magic porridge pot. She said, fill, pot, fill. And the magic porridge pot started filling with porridge. When the mother thought it was enough, she said, okay, stop it, that's enough. But the porridge started pouring out onto the table. The mother said, that's enough, stop it. But the porridge started pouring onto the floor. The magic porridge pot did not stop. Mother started seeing all the porridge shows, so she started to panic. Stop it! My, stop! I said enough! But the porridge started pouring out of the door and started filling all the village with the porridge. When the girl came from the woods, she saw the village filled with porridge and the people on the roofs. Someone started calling, tell that porridge to stop. So the girl smiled and said, Stop, pot, stop. And the magic porridge pot stopped. The people had to eat their way into their homes, but nobody minded, because it was the creamiest, most delicious porridge in the whole wide world.